want to ultimately achieve brand messaging alignment with everyone in the organization, but it's most important that it happens with leadership and with those in customer-facing positions, like sales support, consulting, technicians, client services. So think about that, but strive to have everybody be on board. And it's also really, of course, absolutely vital to ensure that all members of the marketing team and anyone who may be contributing to content development are fully aligned on that brand messaging as well. And here are really 3 ways to ensure that brand messaging alignment is done effectively across the organization. And so the approach that we recommend is first kind of present that brand messaging framework in group or in one-on-one sessions or small group sessions where there can be dialogue about what is being shared. This is really critical because your team and the organization's employees need to be clear on what it is that they align to, voice any areas of concern or areas that may not be clear or potentially understood differently internally, so that you can clarify those points and ultimately leave everyone feeling confident that they can present the brand in the right manner for your organization. Next, you want to focus on monitoring the creation of brand-focused materials, because it's really common to see kind of what we call bits of drift away from brand messaging as time goes on. And if you review things on a regular instance, you can really work then with the individuals and the assets to ensure that they stay 100% in alignment with that brand messaging. And then for messaging, you also want to provide key stakeholders with copies of your brand messaging framework and a brand identity or style guide that they can use to create sales and marketing materials. This will ensure consistency across the organization. And a key thing to do here is post this in a place that's going to be accessible. So if you have like a company intranet or a file sharing and storage system in your organization, make sure that the messaging and that brand identity or style guide is posted prominently so it's easy for anyone to reference. It will really help to ensure that the organization stays consistent across the board.